Hey there, super parents! Are you ready to save big on ABCya and get your kiddos some awesome educational games? Well, stick around because I've got some exclusive coupon codes just for you. And hey, don't forget to click that link in the description below to grab your discount. Now, if you haven't heard of ABCya, it's basically the ultimate playground where learning meets fun. I mean, what's better than your little ones thinking they're just playing games when they're actually learning math, reading, and all those good things? So, let's dive right in. You know those times when your kid is glued to the screen and you're like, is this really educational? ABCya solves that problem. They've got games for every grade, from pre-K all the way up to 6th grade, whether it's letters, numbers, or even coding, ABCya's got it covered. But wait, it gets better. With these exclusive coupon codes, you can score some major discounts. Imagine getting all that goodness for a fraction of the price. Your wallet will thank you, and so will your kids. Here's a quick tip. These codes aren't just lying around, they're like hidden treasures, but don't worry, I've got the map. So, click the link in the description below to unlock those amazing deals. And trust me, these deals are hotter than your morning coffee. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much can I really save? Well, let me tell you, these discounts are no joke. You can get up to 50% off on subscriptions. That's right, half off. That's more money in your pocket for all those other parent things. So, what are you waiting for? Your kids will love the games, and you'll love the savings. It's a win-win. Before you go, make sure to smash that link in the description below to get your discount. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow parents. Thanks for watching, and happy saving!